In this video, I'm going to introduce Video-LLaMA. Video-LLaMA is an instruction-tuned audio-visual language model for video understanding. This project is still under development and is working on empowering large language models with video and audio understanding capability. As you can see on your screen, there are few examples of this Video-LLaMA project. In the first example, you have a video with background sound, and then you are asking this model what you hear, and then it is answering you after decoding and understanding that video. And same goes with the rest of the examples on your screen. And this example is from the GitHub repo of this Video-LLaMA project, and I will also post the link to this in video's description. A really cool project, and all the credit goes to the researchers and developers of this product. Also, Video-LLaMA is built on top of Blip2 and Mini-GPT-4. It is composed of two core components, visual language branch and audio language branch, or in short, VL branch and AL branch. VL branch is a two-layer video queue former and a frame embedding layer, and this is applied to the embeddings of each frame. They have trained VL branch on web with 2 million video caption dataset with a video to text generation task. Whereas AL branch or audio encoder is a two-layer audio cube former and a audio segment embedding layer that is introduced to compute audio representations. Also note that only the video audio cube former, positional embedding layers and the linear layers are trainable during cross-model training. And if you go to their GitHub repo, they have also given step-by-step instructions with this all the code as how you can fine-tune this model as per your own requirement. And even if you look at these examples on your screen, you can tell that how cool that is and where exactly we are going. So very cool, awesome project. Huge kudos to all the researchers. Thank you very much.